Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm just going to show you some of the things that I've been up to in the past few days, as well as give you a couple of garden updates. First of all, I had some maintenance to do in the flower beds on the bottom lawn. A couple of months ago I added loads of plants to this area. They all seem to be doing well apart from a few slug problems. I also didn't decide to put any weed membrane down here, and there were a few weeds poking through, so I took care of those. I then followed up by deadheading and cutting a few of the flowers back. Next up, I had some weeding to do in one of the rose beds. This is where the perennial pea plant was all overgrown. Whilst I got rid of most of it, there were still some shoots that I missed. I still have loads more pruning and deadheading to do, and I will get onto that in the near future, especially around the boat and in this raised planter, so I'll do that in the future and do another video on it. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.